Welcome to Kids Quiz Corner. Let's learn about the life cycle of a butterfly. Butterfly lays eggs on the leaves of the plant. These eggs hatch and the young ones called larvae or caterpillar come out of the eggs. The caterpillar first feeds on the egg shell from which it is born. It then starts feeding on the leaves and starts to grow. The caterpillar sheds its skin several times so that it can grow. Once the caterpillar is big enough, it stops eating the leaf. It forms a protective layer around itself. This stage is called chrysalis. In this stage, caterpillar is now called pupa. The caterpillar remains motionless in this stage. The caterpillar undergoes several changes. After about 15 days, a beautiful adult butterfly emerges out of the chrysalis. When the butterfly comes out, its wings are small and wet. The butterfly pumps fluids into the wings to make them strong and expand. After a few hours, the wings become strong enough and butterfly is able to fly. This series of changes in the life cycle of a butterfly is called metamorphosis. Let's summarize. Egg, caterpillar, pupa, adult emerges, adult butterfly. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.